On the web, while watching a video, click on the gear icon in the bottom right corner of the player. Next, select playback speed. You'll see options like normal, which is regular one-time speed, and slower speeds like 0.75 or 0.5. Go to the website, open your browser and go to ilovepdf.com, which will make the video and audio play in slow motion. You can also choose faster speeds like 1.25 or 1.5 to move things along more quickly. Your PDF. Click on Select PDF File and upload the document you want to edit. If you click Custom at the top of that menu, you'll see a slider that lets you set any speed you like, anywhere between really slow and double speed. On the YouTube app, tap the setting in the top right corner of the video. Then tap Playback Speed. From there, pick your preferred speed, whether you want to slow things down or speed them up. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and useful guides. Thanks for watching.